Hi, I'm Scott Doyle from the Genie Company. Thank you for tuning in to tune up your knowledge of the Genie product.
Today, we'll be discussing programming the integrated 7-day timer.
The Genie Gate line has an amazing feature built into it that doesn't require any extra hardware. That feature is that we have a 7-day timer built in to our software. To access that timer, we're going to start by pressing the Cal Run key to put us in calibration mode. Now we need to navigate to menu option 33, and a quick way to do that is to just press the Cal Run key another time to jump to menu option 25. From there, we'll use the up key to reach menu option 33. Once we're in menu option 33, which is clock 1, menu option 34 is clock 2, 35 is clock 3, and 36 is clock 4. We're going to be programming clock 1 today. Once I'm at the clock 1 menu, I'm going to press set clear to enter into the mode. The first thing it's going to ask me is to set an opening time. Press set clear to do that. This clock is set at 8 a.m. To adjust this clock, we're going to press set clear, and then to change the actual time, we're going to press set clear once again. Whatever number you're wanting to change, whether it be the hours or the minutes, that's what you want to highlight with the flashing, and then simply using the up or down key to change that time. So let's change this to 7 a.m. We have it where we want it at 7 a.m. We'll press set clear again, and then one more time to set it. Using the up key, we're going to scroll to our closing time and repeat that same step. Set clear one more time to affect the hour, and then using the down key, I'm going to set this to PM, 8 p.m. to be precise. Once it's set, hit my set clear once more, and then another time to lock it in. So now my open and closing times are both locked in. We can now go look at what days we want to turn this on. To do that, I'm going to use the up key to scroll up to my first day, which will be Monday. I can select the day that this timer is going to work and build out a schedule. So I'm going to set this clock for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. To do that, I'll start by pressing set clear on Monday, and then the up key to change it from off to on. Set clear takes me back one option, and then I can hit my up key to go to Tuesday. We're going to skip Tuesday and go to Wednesday. Press set clear again to enter the mode. Up key to change it to on. Set clear back to the days. And then I will scroll up to Friday and repeat the process. Then I will hit Cal Run to get me back to my overall menu options. Now this circuit board has a cool feature built into it. We have relays built into the board that we can then affect with this clock. So since we've already set clock 1, let's go ahead and set clock 2. Let's also set it to affect one of the relays. Start by pressing your set clear key, and then set clear one more time to set an opening time. Since we already set a clock for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, let's set this clock to 8 a.m. as well. Set clear to change it. Scroll down to go to the closing time. From the closing time, set clear once again. 6 o'clock is okay with me. So let's look at the schedule. We'll scroll down to Tuesday, and we're gonna have this on. And then we'll scroll down to Thursday to turn it on. And then for Saturday, I want to set to relay 1. Now when I'm done setting the clock, I simply press Cal Run to back out of it, and then calibration one more time to go into run mode. By setting it to the relay on Saturday at 8 a.m., whatever we have the relay programmed to, that's what will happen. So if I have it to turn a loop off, or I have it to turn lights on, or for whatever it might be, that will be affected by that timer. Now your timer is set. Thanks for tuning in and tuning up.